So you're looking to turn your images into videos? Then if that's the case, then I'm going to show you an incredible website that you can use to turn any images into videos. And guess what? It is absolutely free. So what you want to do, guys, just simply open up your browser and type in vidnose.com. Once you're here, you can easily create an account by signing in with your Gmail account. Then from the many options where you have free AI tools, simply hover over that. You'll find a ton of different AI tools, but you want to choose the option that says AI image to video. So what you want to do, you want to go ahead and upload your image. So go ahead and click on upload, select the image that you want, simply click and open. So you have a few options here. You have Vidnose, Kling AI, Runway, and 𝗙𝗎. So let's go ahead and choose, for example, Vidnose and simply click and generate and just wait for this to analyze, create your video, and you will see the end result. So let's allow this a few minutes and I'll show you the end result. And there you have it, guys. My video is finished generated. Let me go ahead and play it so that you can see what it has done. How cool is that? No, it's only about 3 seconds, but it's absolutely mind-blowing what this AI tool did with this video. Absolutely incredible. You can easily go ahead and download that video as well. If you click and download, it will take you over into your account where you'll find that video that was created from this, and you can easily go ahead and download that video. So choose whatever options you want, guys, and simply click and download, and you'll have that video on your computer that you can quickly go ahead and open and play from your PC. Amazing, right?